As you saw on the top there, most of the information on the tag is pretty much non-existent, but I want to take a guess and say at least 1995 is when this fan was manufactured. And also the brass on here is not really in that great of shape. So this is in its original state before I remedy the finish. But aside from that, this fan works very well. As soon as I figure out a way to remedy this fan in terms of the cosmetics, it'll get a new update video. Yeah, it wobbles violently. I'm not really sure what that is, but the blades don't really seem out of line. I'm not gonna leave it on for too long. But it sure does move some good air, though. I really don't know why it's wobbling like that, but it really drove me crazy. The Millennium is one of my favorite higher performance hunters. I did have to borrow some hardware in order to make this work. That nut holding the down rod is actually off of an original, and I'm using its original blade screws for the Infiniti, and I happen to have some makeshift screws lying around. You can see the brass is pretty cloudy. So that's kind of the gist of hunter's brass, with it being from a harsh environment. Once I figure out how to remedy this fan and return it into presentable condition, I will make a new video for it. So anyways, that's all for now. Thank you for watching.